I'm gonna show you how to take this, right, and turn it into. Alright, we're gonna get started with powder. Wet n Wild clarifying powder. A lot on your powder puff, y'all. A lot. Back of your hand. Set. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. And I'm gonna drag it all the way down the side of my nose too. To brighten up even more, I'm gonna take this shade called Ahosi from the Juvia's Place Warriors palette, and I'm going to put that right up under the eye to brighten it up even more. Gonna take translucent powder and set the rest of my face very liberally. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose. Alright, now we need to actually start looking like a tiger. I'm gonna take the Fit Me pressed powder in 355 because it's very, very orange on me. And I'm gonna lay this down kind of as like my first base layer. Still kind of trying to kind of contour with this and give my face some definition. Now I'm going to take this really, really old Morphe palette and I'm going to take this orange shade and mix it a little bit with this natural nude shade. So pick that up. I just go back and forth and we're going to try to make my face look as orange as possible. And actually, we might even add a little bit of orange just to kind of create a gradient and look more realistic. So, without. This is the old James Morphe palette. I have a big one that's untouched, so I'm gonna go in with that. I'm gonna take this with a little bit of this, and we're gonna go in and add a bit more. And take some on the bottom, just a little. On a smaller brush, I'm going to take just a little bit of yellow and then mix these two and go on this area. Adding just a little bit more, I'm going to go on with this orange blush by Juvia's Place. Alright, now is the fun part. You're going to take your sharpened black eyeliner and you're just going to start drawing where you want your lines to kind of go. And it's best if you kind of look up a reference picture or photo of what you want them to look like. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me what I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days, all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for
All right, now that we have all of our lines mapped up, I like to go in with a liner brush and that black eyeshadow that we used earlier for our eyeliner and darken up all of the areas that we need to within the lines. And I like to use this small brush first because you can get crispier, more dense, more clean lines with this before you use any other type of like fluffy brush. So yeah.
Come and see me for once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is
Alright, now I take a really tiny stiff brush that's thicker than my liner brush, and I use that to kind of just fill in the thicker areas and set them at the same time, like that. Alright, now I'm going to take another layer of translucent setting powder, and we are going to just put this all over. Now I'm going to take my powder puff. I'm going to take this light yellow and this white and mix it together and go in under the eye and re-brighten everything. Like that.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too, where I need someone to be patient with me.
I'm gonna take the same powders and I'm gonna go here as well. I'm gonna take my black liner pencil again, freshly sharpened. I'm gonna go back in and start to draw the inner line here. And darken up my liner just a little bit more. There. And there. I'm going to clean up this nose contour. I'm going to outline just the bottom of my nose just a little. Back. I'm gonna step back again and start to overline my lips. Alright, the hard part. Hold your breath, cover your hair if your hair is already done, and spray it away. I'm gonna take a fan, keep my eyes closed. For the lips, nothing other than MAC lip glass and clear on the back of my hand on the brush. I'm gonna take some white eyeshadow and re-highlight underneath that brow bone just to bring it back in. And then clean this area up too a little.